So to log into Google, the easiest way to do that is by going to google.com or google.co.uk, and then you click on the button in the corner that says sign in. That's going to take you to your Google sign in page. So let's sign in. Enter your password. You know that you're logged into your Google account because in the corner here you will see your username. And then you can access any of the apps by clicking on Google Apps. To sign out, click on your Google account and then click sign out. You have the option to sign in again or just continue, and then you are signed out. In the corner you will see that there is a pause button, so it's remembered the username, but it hasn't signed in again, so you can click on sign in again here, and that will then take you in, and that will allow you to use the same username.